Hey, what's up guys? So this is my latest personal project. Pretty excited about this little camper trailer. Just picked it up a couple days ago. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and start doing some demo. Okay, so here's the inside. Looks can be deceiving. It is a little rough, but there's a lot of potential here. It's a neat little trailer. Taking the carpet up. All of this will be removed. This here will now be the kitchen. So I'm gonna move the kitchen cabinets there. My crazy finger. This whole closet thing will be removed. That's what I'm gonna work on today, and the kitchen cabinet today, and this. This is staying how it is. So I was just about to get started on this thing, and I noticed something. I got my Phillips screwdriver out. It's getting ready to undo these hinges here. Look at that bit. Look at that thing. I'm gonna have to go see if I have a tool that will fit this. I mean, I suppose I could rip these off, but look at that, that's crazy. I'm gonna try to undo them, just in case I want those hinges for something. Okay, so I went and got my little Harbor Freight security bit set, and I thought it was gonna be this guy, but it's pretty close. Wow, depth perception, it's difficult. It's pretty close, but it slips. I guess we're tearing it apart. So I was actually able to get these screws out. I just used a small flat-headed screwdriver, and it grabbed the screws well enough to remove them. It wasn't perfect, but it meant I didn't have to completely tear this apart. Okay, just removed the cabinet. Check out the old flooring. It's pretty sweet. It almost looks real. Stone floor in my camper. Next is this. I guess there's some more flooring there. Some good stuff, man. Good power. This may be a little more complicated. That's where my wheel well is. So that has to stay, but I'm putting a bench over this anyway, so that's perfectly fine. Wanted to do a quick video just showing off the current state of this. Check this out, this lamp, look at this. It's a gas lamp. This thing legit, see, I can do this without breaking something. That's crazy. Definitely no fire hazards here. It's pretty cool though, to be honest. Just not for me. I'll just leave that off. All right, so here's where we're currently at. Got the entire stove out, cabinets, and yeah, I'm gonna pull this out here in a second and move these cushions. Moving everything to this side for right now, just so we can see what we got over here. That's kind of cool storage. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take that table out, and then I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, just remove the table, set it over here for now. This thing is pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it. not underneath anything, I'll be able to pull it up. Maybe. Ooh, it's glued down. Ah, it's so gross. Never mind. I need a mask. I don't want to do it yet. The next day I went ahead and pulled the camper into our shop. That way I could be close to my tools and efficient while working on it. Because of the age of this trailer, we really wanted to get this thing sealed up. So I went ahead and caulked all the doorways and windows to prevent any future leaks into the trailer. We noticed that underneath the windows, water had gotten in and damaged the wood. This was a little while ago when we did this. I believe I just used 100% silicone to seal the windows and doorways, just to keep it simple. I knew this would work. I'm sure there's better products out there, and if you guys know of any, I would be happy to hear your suggestions. But this should work for now. This trailer was well used and had many people living in it before us. Because of that, there was odors, and we wanted to remove those odors. So to do that, we had to remove all carpet and cushions or anything that would hold that smell in. So we went ahead and tore the carpet out, which did remove the majority of the smells. Okay, just got carpet out. That is nasty. I'm gonna vacuum the trailer, start working on some benches. I don't know about you guys, but I like to vacuum. I think it's fun to watch the quick transformation of removing all the dust. After removing the carpet, I noticed there were a ton of staples in the floor, so we needed to remove them, so I grabbed some pliers and got to work. All of the loose staples I went ahead and just pulled out. Anything stubborn that wouldn't come out, I grabbed my hammer and just set them in the floor to be forever with the trailer under the new flooring. It was a little bit difficult seeing all the leftover staples, so I grabbed my flashlight and had it at an angle just so I could see the shadow of the staple and hammered them in. My wife and I were back and forth on the design of this trailer. These benches were something we weren't sure if we wanted to keep or get rid of. Ultimately, they had to go because we wanted the kitchen on this end of the trailer. I'm glad I pulled them because I was also able to clean underneath them and finish disinfecting this trailer. One thing after doing many remodels is we find that sometimes we make decisions we later regret or just changed our mind. I removed these cupboards and cabinets here, and we had initially planned to install a bunk bed on this side, but ultimately we ended up not doing that, and these are something I wish I would have left. It smells so bad in here. I got this bleach Clorox spray to kill all the germs from all the nasty anyway, it's gonna be clean now. Can't breathe in here. I got the carpet out, got the cabinets out, the floor is getting cleaned now. Got this all ready. I'll show you out here. It's better. Got some flooring down there. Over here we have our countertop for the kitchen countertop. Got paint ready. Got some Kills primer, and got gonna go ahead and I brought my sprayer over right there. I'm gonna just spray the all the walls, ceiling, everything's gonna get sprayed with a coat of primer. And then as I build it out, I'll just paint as I go, but I just want the base layer finished. You can see where there's some water damage from the window, but it's not too bad. All right, so this is like my second day here at the shop working on the trailer, and I just went through the whole thing and found all the nails and screws in the walls, pulled them out, getting ready for some paint. I'm gonna keep cleaning, but right now I have these gas lines here, one here, one down here. This used to be where the stove was, and I'm going to remove those lines right now. I'll show you where they tie into. So they tie into propane tanks. They just run in a line all the way up to here, but as you can see, this is nice and kinked and bent, so I'm actually just gonna remove the whole thing. Phone's not focusing, it's awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna pull all this out right now. So I just cut this hose. I was wondering what it was. And if you look in here, I got a little water tank, which makes sense because there is, I think this must be to fill it. And then there's the drain. Okay, so I pretty much have this trailer ready for primer.